Yes.
Okay, so I'm trying to remove this clutch fork, and I see there's some kind of spring here. I think this spring has to pop out. I'm just pushing it straight down, and that didn't do anything. Let me try. Okay, there it is. There it is right there. There's that spring thing I'm seeing. I'm trying to figure out how you remove this assembly. Oh, there you go. That's how you do it. Just come straight out like that. Okay. I guess this probably gets caught inside these little notches here, like that and like that, would be my guess. So now I put this back on the other one, on the new one. And I need that little ball there. And everything else looks pretty good. Now the only other, whoa, what's this? Was that slid up on there? It probably was. I can see how there's slide marks, so it's probably like this. It's probably actually working into something like that. Okay, so that's probably how it actually works. See all the wires and springs and weirdness. Got one spring here that clips in there, and this thing here looks like it clips into this bearing in this slot. I'll go ahead and pull that all the way out. See how that looks? That's how that works. So you got one thing here, a spring clip that clips into this thing, and that little clip that clips into there, which I guess uses to track the ball or something. Maybe when you, probably what happens is when it goes in, it springs open. Let me see if that's how it works. That's what I'm guessing. So this thing must fit something like this. Guess you just kind of pop on. Yeah, see how it pops on, and it probably just pops off. Yeah, well, it pops off and it kind of jumped out. But that's the idea. Okay, now I get it. So that's where the little ball fits here, and this spring thing goes like this and slides in under here, and this thing slips on there. So that's how it goes. Now the only other thing we have to figure out is how to remove this bearing. The bearing there is supposed to come off, and I don't have the slightest idea how you're supposed to remove that thing. So I'm going to have to do some work to figure out how that works. I don't know how it's installed. Anyway, there you go. That's it. Press the middle button.